I made a 3D model by tracing a sketch. Mostly we make a 3D model directly on our workspace and just follow our imagination. But sometimes we just want to follow some drawings or sketch. How to insert an image? Coming up. First of all, I draw a simple orthographic views as reference using Paint for my 3D model. I draw its front view and its side view. Now let's start importing the image we just draw. Go to Edit option and click Preferences. And the Preferences table will appear. Now go to Add-ons and search for Import, and the Import Export Image as Planes will appear. Now check it and click Save Preferences. Press Ctrl A on your keyboard. And now the image has added to your Add menu. Now choose Image as Plane and select the folder where did you save your image. Click it and it will display to your workspace. And there you go. Here is the image that we have drawn earlier. I rotated it and scaled to its right position. Now click the Look Development icon above. Wait for a second and the sketch will appear. And voila! Here is our design. Now let's add cube and make some shape. Let's scale up our image a little more bigger. Duplicate image and rotate it. After placing the image, now let's position the cube to it. Now it's already in position at every center of the two references. I think it's time to rock! Now we just made our 3D model by just tracing our imported image as reference. And we made it! Check out my next videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also like and follow my page on Facebook, Surface 360. Be updated there. Thank you.